How's your trek?
Just started. Come on.
We'll see you. Freaking tired already. This trek is nice. Let's see what do we have to explore more. Let's see. So, if you work out, you'll be like that. If you don't work out, you'll be like this. If you don't work out, you'll be like this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hyderabadi Beauty and Delhi Beast. So this is the part 2 of our road trip from Hyderabad to Wayanad. In the part 1 you must have seen our journey from Hyderabad to Bangalore and you must have enjoyed that one. In this video we will be covering our journey from Bangalore to Wayanad. Please do watch till the end as you would be exploring some beautiful places of Wayanad along with us. Here it goes guys, our road trip from Bangalore to Wayanad.
Welcome to Mysore, my dear friends. अब समझा ये टेबल कहीं बुक करा मैं एक बोल तीन पत्ती खेलने पे गाइस लेट्स प्ले तीन पत्ती देखा ना मैं आप चलते रहो आप expecting this. This came as a surprise to us.
Yeah. But it's wonderful. It's so
Wonderful. What being here on the mountain?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Oh yeah, this was amazing workout for me.
Forget
I
about the
feel
workout. Tell
great.
her. Talk about the view.
It's speechless. I mean, I'm speechless.
Ganesh bhai,
It's surreal. This view is amazing, guys. I think if you are visiting Wayanad, I think this is the place to go for you. But make sure wear your shoes, guys.
make sh-
Make sure. Don't
make sure you come prepared.
prepared.
Get your shoes, workout dress.
It might just be a
yeah.
300 or like maybe a half a kilometer incline. But trust me, it is worth like you're running for 5 kilometers.
Yeah, it is worth it. So come prepared. Don't forget to come here. What is the name of this place?
Edakkal Caves.
I'm sure this will give you the feeling of being in a foreign country, and this is an amazing view. So we loved it. Hope you guys will love it.
Okay, guys, so we have finished with the Edakkal journey. It was very beautiful, surreal, and a wonderful experience to visit here. If you're planning to visit Wayanad, it's a must place for you to come. Now we are heading back to our Zostel Wayanad, which is some 50 kilometers from here. Let's go and see what is there in store for us. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hey guys, what's up? So we are in Zostel, Wayanad, okay, and we have come down to explore this place. So we found this wonderful, interesting school out here, and it seems to be closed. But one good thing about this school is it just reminds us of our childhood. So it's early morning. It's 7:30 right now, and we are having a good time. We just had our tea. Let's see what is there in store for us.
Finally, we visited Wayanad, we stayed in a hostel, called Zostel. Had great experience, met few good people there. They shared their stuff, we shared our stuff, like our exchanging knowledge. And morning was beautiful. We did a little small photo shoot, clicked good pictures. And here we are having breakfast at a local place in Wayanad.
What are you having?
Wayanad is famous for parota. Every place you'll find parotas. So we are having parota with some mean curry, and Ganesh bhai ordered some veg curry and parotas. So we are having parotas. After that we will have a lovely coffee, and I'm sure these guys will also have coffee and tea.
Hey guys, what's up? So we're all set for the breakfast. We have the famous Malabar Paratha here, along with the fish curry. You can see here how beautiful it is, and there's some vegetarian stuff for me. It's a dal. And this is
Mutton fry.
this is mutton fry, guys. Yeah, that's about it. And we have ordered omelets. Let's see what's the shape of that omelet, how it looks like. We don't know. Let's see, guys. Yummy. Hey guys, welcome to Kantapara waterfalls. So due to COVID, okay, all the waterfalls are closed in Wayanad except this particular waterfall. And as you can see, this place is also restricted. So all you need to do is like walk from that area, and just come here, guys. So you just have a limited space for you to take bath, only for kids I believe, but this place is closed, guys. Okay guys, so we have come to a place where they prepare this toddy fresh, and they start doing this at 10 a.m. in the morning. So if you can see, this is just like a normal fresh lime soda. Okay, it tastes like fresh lime soda. It doesn't taste like any other beer or anything. So it's good to have toddy. It's very good for your health. It is good for digestion. So okay, we're all set to drink this one. It seems to be good. Okay, you can see the view where they have how they are doing that stuff. Also, they are doing that coffee bean. They are trying those coffee beans, but unfortunately, it's raining out here. But that's fine. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. We are in Wilton Hotel. We ordered ghee rice, mutton fry, and what kadai paneer.
That is in veg.
Yeah, veg kadai paneer. So Raimat and myself are having non-veg. Ganesh bhai is a vegetarian. So we are enjoying our food.
What are you having? Anwar?
Mutton biryani and mutton fry.
Oh, nice.
Everywhere in Kerala, in everything you eat, coconut pakka. And I think it is made of coconut oil also. So yeah, we are enjoying. If you come to Wayanad via Bangalore, via Mysore, on the way you will find Wilton Hotel.
Super.
Or
Sultan Batri.
On the way from Mysore to Wayanad, you will find a small town called Sultan Bateri. In Sultan Bateri, there is a hotel called Wilton. Yummy, tasty food. You can come and enjoy.
Okay. Rahmat, what's your
The review about biryani.
This is the first time you're having a Kerala biryani, and you're a hardcore biryani lover. So what is your take on it?
I shouldn't be comparing because every state has their different cuisine. So this is not bad. This is actually good. So yeah, definitely trying, and that's what I'm going to try.
Super. Chalo, nice. Oh my God! Just have to witness this thing, man. Finally. Nikal. Well, I'm so happy to see finally an elephant.
It's my dream to capture an elephant with my...
Please let us know if you would like to watch more videos like this, and we would be happy to do that. Until then, खुश रहो, मस्त रहो और enjoy करो guys. Bye bye.